Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on NFC on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To do it, you will need to go to the settings. Now go to go to connected devices. Now go to connection preferences and you'll find NFC and you can enable or disable it. You can also enable required device unlock for NFC, so NFC will only work when the screen is unlocked. Of course, even if it's disabled, then you won't be able to pay with the phone if the phone is unlocked, because it's for security reasons. But some other things like scanning NFC tags, NFC will be enabled. So if you scan an NFC tag, then it'll prompt you to unlock your phone and it'll show you what the content of the NFC tag was. But if it's disabled, if it's enabled here, then you'll need to unlock your phone for it to even detect NFC. There's also contactless payments, and you can select your wallet app and then go to that wallet app and set up your payment card so you can pay with your phone. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.